Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Active Ve52 is probably one of the most versatile and powerful pressure washers on the market, designed to tackle a wide range of cleaning tasks with ease, from delicate patio furniture to stubborn grime on driveways and vehicles, making it an indispensable tool for homeowners seeking efficiency and superior results in their outdoor maintenance routines. Number 5. YAMATIC 3-4 Shaft Pressure Washer Pump. Give your old power washer a new life with this replacement pump. It delivers high performance, producing up to 3,400 psi at 2.5 GPM, perfect for various cleaning tasks. This pump is designed for easy installation, getting you back to work quickly. Featuring stainless steel pistons and an integrated unloader with an easy start system, it's built for longevity. It fits most gas pressure washers with horizontal engines and a 3-4 shaft. Check our detailed fit guide to ensure it's the right match for your specific model. Equipped with TRV protection to prevent overheating and an adjustable unloader, you can easily control the pressure. Its upgraded design ensures a longer service life than standard pumps. With pre-filled oil and an easy start system, starting up is a breeze. Enjoy years of reliable use for all your pressure washing needs. This pump is ideal for cleaning walls, sidewalks, vehicles, and more. It's a cost-effective solution to enhance your power washer's capabilities. What we like. This pump is designed to revive your existing pressure washer. If you have a compatible horizontal shaft engine and are looking to replace an old pump rather than buy a whole new unit, this is a great option. It offers high performance for tasks like cleaning walls and sidewalks. What people say. Pump itself seems durable and good quality materials used. Works great. Seems like more pressure than old pump, best replacement. Came with all supplies I needed. No leaking and fit perfectly. Number 4. Greenworks Pro Brushless Electric Pressure Washer. Introducing the Greenworks Pro Brushless Electric Pressure Washer. Experience unparalleled cleaning power with its robust design and advanced motor technology. This unit boasts a powerful 14-amp true brushless motor, delivering 3,000 psi and 2.0 GPM for maximum cleaning efficiency. Its performance is PWMA certified, ensuring you get the power you expect. Enjoy performance that surpasses gas-powered models. The heavy-duty cast aluminum pump provides exceptional durability and cleaning capability. With jet flow technology, you'll experience up to 50% more flow. This allows you to reach higher areas and power rinse surfaces quickly and effectively. Designed with a rugged steel frame, it includes a durable metal gun and a 25-foot kink-resistant hose. Various nozzles are also provided for versatile cleaning tasks. This electric pressure washer comes with everything you need, including 15 degrees, 25 degrees, and 40 degrees tips, plus soap and turbo nozzles. Tackle any cleaning job with confidence. What we like. This electric pressure washer boasts a powerful brushless motor and is PWMA certified, ensuring you get the advertised performance. If you're looking for an electric option that rivals gas performance for tough cleaning jobs, this is a solid choice. It's great for those who want reliable power without the hassle of gas engines. What people say. A quiet electric machine, online videos don't show how quiet it is. Packaged with wheels mounted, washer quickly assembled, no assembly issues, similar in size to my old gas 2600 PSI Craftsman. Like its green appearance and sturdy frame body, steel like my old gas washers. Number 3. SIMPSON Cleaning PS3228 PowerShot Gas Pressure Washer. Introducing the SIMPSON Cleaning PS3228 PowerShot. This powerful gas pressure washer is designed for professionals, tackling tough jobs with ease. It features a premium Honda GX200 engine with low oil shutdown for reliability. The maintenance-free AAA XXX plunger pump is built for a long service life. The 25-foot Morflex hose resists kinks and abrasion, offering excellent reach. Its non-marring jacket protects surfaces while you work. Transporting this unit is a breeze thanks to its 10 premium pneumatic tires and balanced design. The welded steel frame is easy to assemble and resists corrosion. Equipped with 5 quick connect nozzle tips, it handles everything from stripping paint to cleaning cars. A professional spray gun and wand are also included. This cold water machine is perfect for contractors and ideal for cleaning decks, driveways, siding, and graffiti. It's ready to take on your most demanding cleaning tasks. What we like. This gas pressure washer features a premium Honda engine and a robust pump for professional-grade cleaning. If you need a powerful and reliable machine for demanding tasks like cleaning decks, driveways, or equipment, and value ease of transport with its large pneumatic tires, this is the one to consider. What people say. It uses quality components, it has a simple layout, pro in mind, it's small and relatively light, and has more than enough power to do what I need. Started on the second pull of the starter rope and runs like a dream. Very smooth operation. Honda engine technology and attention to detail are worth the price here. The pump works great. Variable pressure available via the large knob on the top of the pump. I'm very impressed with the design and build quality, it's definitely commercial caliber. It took dried sap off my vehicle without a problem. Runs smooth, and customer service is very responsive if you have any questions. Number 2. DUSICHIN Pressure Washer Gun Foam Cannon Kit. Introducing the DUSICHIN Pressure Washer Gun Foam Cannon Kit, designed for powerful and efficient car washing. It offers a seamless experience for all your cleaning needs. This pressure washer gun boasts a 1/4-inch quick connect and can handle up to 3000 psi with a flow rate of 7 GPM. It's compatible with M22 fittings and features a 3/8 swivel quick connector for versatility. The heavy-duty foam cannon is built with a seamless solid metal foam core for durability. Its wide neck design and 1-liter capacity ensure you can create rich foam for effective cleaning. Switch effortlessly between foam and water cleaning with the unique dual-ended connector. This innovative design eliminates the need to swap nozzles, saving you time and effort. Customize your foam with the included additional 1.04 mm orifice nozzle. Use it for lower pressure situations to achieve thicker foam, ensuring a superior clean. Never lose your spray nozzles again. The integrated tip holder in the gun's handle keeps your 5 included nozzle tips organized and readily accessible. With 5 different jet patterns, this kit is perfect for a variety of tasks, from washing cars to cleaning sidewalks. Select the right nozzle for any cleaning requirement. What we like. This kit focuses on enhancing your car washing experience with its unique dual-ended connector, allowing seamless switching between foam and water. If you're a car enthusiast who loves achieving that perfect foam lather and wants a convenient way to switch between cleaning modes without changing nozzles, this is ideal for you. What people say. The dual connector shift valve makes switching between rinsing and foam very easy without disconnecting anything. It definitely makes the car washing process faster and more convenient. The foam cannon produces a nice thick foam when used with regular car wash soap. It spreads evenly over the vehicle and helps loosen dirt before scrubbing. The compact gun design makes handling and maneuvering easy and efficient. I really appreciated the Quick Connect feature that allows for fast switching between soap and rinse modes, a smart touch that adds convenience. Number 1. Giraffe Tools Wall-Mounted Pressure Washer. Experience unmatched cleaning power with its robust 1800-watt motor, delivering up to 2900 psi. It effortlessly tackles the toughest grime, grease, and stains, ensuring a spotless finish every time. Say goodbye to garage clutter. This wall-mounted design keeps everything organized and ready to go, saving you time and hassle. Clean any area with ease thanks to the 100-foot retractable hose. It conveniently stores away, protected from damage, making setup and cleanup a breeze. Equipped with 4 quick connect nozzles, it adapts to any cleaning task. Plus, the foam cannon lets you apply soap for a deeper clean on vehicles or surfaces. Enjoy energy savings and extended pump life with the automatic total stop system. It powers down when not in use, and the GFCI cord ensures safe operation. What we like. This electric pressure washer offers exceptional convenience with its wall-mounted design and a 100-foot retractable hose, keeping your space tidy. If you prioritize organization and ease of use, especially in a garage or workshop setting, and want to avoid the hassle of managing long hoses, this unit is perfect for you. What people say. Perfect product for someone who constantly wash their vehicles and hate hoses getting in the way. Best things for cleaning vehicles easy to install. It's a nice, compact all-in-one unit that makes it easy to use. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.